Hello, my friends. Guess what? It is time. It is time for the newest Fold It. And let me just tell you, if you are not in the Fold It Club now, you need to join this second, literally the second, because I announced about a week ago that this Fold It is probably in my top 5 favorite Fold Its ever since we've been doing Fold Its, like ever. And let me just tell you, it is so sweet. I absolutely love it. Oh, that was a pun and you don't even know it yet. Are you ready? Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm serious. This is like insane. I don't even know. I don't even know. I can't even tell you because let me show it to you. Here you go. It is a chocolate bar. Now, this has to be one of your favorites because who doesn't love chocolate, right? Now, look how cute it is. It has the little layering pieces to do that, and I have tons of samples. Actually, let me just show you a sample right now. Here you go. You have the cute little layering pieces. You can, this one's even, you can make it an easel card. Yes, it comes with the words, "You're so sweet." I was able to fit those in. Usually you don't get a die set with words, but I was able to fit it in. And look at this. You are getting the cute little wrapper. You're getting the "You're so sweet" with the shadow die. You're getting these little rectangles are separate, so you could add them separately so they could be popped up a little tiny bit. You guys, I love this one so much. I can't wait to show you all the samples. Also, you were getting 2 5x7 stencils. This is one of them. Yummy, 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 everywhere, right? Awesome. And you were getting this stencil to decorate your wrapper and your chocolate. And I have samples to show you. Also, you were getting the handy dandy postcard with a couple ideas. Rest assured, my friends, all of these ideas and more are on our website. Okay, last but not least, and there's 2 more things in here. Don't throw them away. You need to make sure you get them out. Number 1 is a special little postcard with a special little gift on the back. I cannot show it to you, but if you cut off the bottom here, right where it shows you, this is also a card front. Easy peasy card, but you're gonna wanna see what's on the back. Also, and it's not connected, so you gotta look for it, it's a freebie. It's a freebie. This club freebie is different than our other club freebie. So if you're in our Diamond Club, rest assured, you are going to get new ones each and every time. So make sure you get this out of your envelope. Don't lose this. It even has a little sticker on it that says it's free. Okay, now let me jump in and show you all of our samples because you guys, this is my favorite for a reason. First of all, yes, you can make Fold Its into easel cards. Look how cute that is. What? I know, awesome, right? Or you could make them into stuffies. Look how cute this little stuffy is. Or you could put them on 5x7 cards. This is our Decal Edge 5x7 card base. Look how cute it is on there. Open it up. Love it. Isn't that awesome? Yummy in the background. Can you see the yummy in the background? Or you could make it a shaped card. Okay, hello, you guys. Look at how awesome the hologram paper is for the wrapper. Is that adorable or what? Or, don't forget, you could also just use the stencil yummy and the "You're so sweet." You guys, it's more than just a Fold It, right? Here's another one, "You're so sweet." Here's one using the cute little dotted part of our stencil for that one. Here's one in different colors. So look, different colors. Don't you love it? Different colors, lots of options. And don't forget, envelope liners. Yummy, 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 yummy. Isn't that cute? Here's another one using the stencil on the front. I absolutely love this one. So cute. So many different options. Couple more. I love okay, so here it is again on a 5x7. So we have 2 on 5x7s, which I love because I like you to see how versatile these are, right? How versatile. Look at that on a 5x7. Or put it on an A2 and don't use all of it. Use a scallop circle, cut out a bite. Isn't that awesome? You guys, I am so excited about this. Now, this is exclusive to the Fold It Club. If you are not in our Fold It Club, you have 2 options. 1, cry for the rest of your life because you're going to miss out on this. Or 2, join now and you'll get this one. But once this month is over, once it's gone, it's gone. It's gone. It's awful, right? So you have to get in now. Don't miss out on this one because I know you're going to be really sad if you don't. Join the Fold It Club. The commitment is only 3 months. After 3 months, you can cancel at any time, but you know what? You're going to be having so much fun. You're not going to want to. Also, if you join, you get a die that is a banner, this decal edge, like this decal edge right here, $26.99 value as a welcome gift. And if you join now, you will qualify for that free gift that this club gets and that special card that has something special on the back. I know, it's like I'm paying you to be a club member because you know what? I just like to pay for my friends and I love you all so much and I'm trying to make sure that everybody can be involved. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch that video. It's going to explain all of our clubs to you, but keep in mind this one is exclusive to this club. So get in now, ASAP, before you miss out. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.